Tabnine versus Codeium versus GitHub Copilot. Which AI coding assistant is better? I'm going to tell you which AI coding assistant is better between Tabnine, Codeium, and GitHub Copilot. Tabnine is fast and privacy focused. It runs locally, supports many languages, and is great if you want full control over your code base. But it's not as context aware and sometimes give you more generic suggestions. Codeium is the rising star. It's free, blazing fast, and gives surprisingly smart completions. Plus, it supports chat and search inside your IDE. It's improving fast, but still catching up in ecosystem polish. GitHub Copilot is the OG. It's built on OpenAI, deeply integrated into VS Code, and understands your entire code context. It's insanely helpful for boilerplate, functions, and even tests. But it costs $10 per month, and sometimes overgenerates or misses subtle bugs. So which is better? If you want full power and don't mind paying, Copilot still leads. If you want a great free option that's catching up fast, try Codeium. And if privacy is top priority, Tabnine is your tool.